over the past 3 years, we have invested much effort in taking the technology from the lab into a real mass production line. This is an effort that takes a lot of time because the formulation combines the nanotechnology and the organic materials, which a traditional manufacturing line of lithium-ion batteries typically do not deal with. So it did take much effort to stabilize a production line that can demonstrate our technology in mass production. Other startups have not even begun to deal with the issues of transitioning from the lab to the mass production line. And therefore it's such big news that when we released our samples recently of Gen 1, it came out of that production line that can actually produce millions a day. So the technology is not just demonstrated in a lab, it is actually in a mass production line of a traditional manufacturing line with no changes to the capital equipment, but of course with the modifications on the process that is much more accurate with our nanotechnology and organic synthesis materials.